guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I want to do gifts for her under £30. I have already done a video which shows you the different gifts for him under £30, so I thought it's only fair that I do one for her as well. To be honest, I've probably found this one a bit harder than the one for him, even though gifts for men are normally the ones that I struggle with, but hey ho, here we are. But I've compiled a list of 7 things that I think are quite useful and quite universal in that you probably can't go wrong in getting these things for the women in your life. Just before we jump into the video, if you could please give this video a like as well as subscribing to my channel down below. It really helps my channel to grow and reach a wider audience. Okay, let's jump right in. So gift idea number 1, a pamper kit. Now with these ones, obviously I have to promote my own, so I will link it down below. However, with the pamper kit you can actually go as far as making your own, and with a £30 budget you can get a lot of different things to put in them, such as bath bombs, face masks, chocolate, anything you want. I'll show you ones that my business sells. However, as I say, there's so much variety online, or you can go that extra mile and actually make your own. Gift idea number 2 are FM perfumes. So a lot of you will probably go for perfumes as a default. However, perfumes are so expensive nowadays. Like, I don't understand how they can charge so much money for a little bottle of liquid. That's all it is. However, I've seen a lot of people currently selling the FM perfumes, which claim to be the exact same as your designer brands, but you're not actually paying for the design, you're not paying for the brand, you're just paying for the perfume itself. So you'll probably have local distributors, local ambassadors of the FM group that you can buy from, but I will also link the FM website down below just so you can find out a bit more about them and see obviously what it is and how they operate. But ultimately, if you can support one of your friends or a friend of a friend who is currently selling FM perfumes, I would definitely recommend doing so. I have smelt them myself and honestly they are like the real thing, so I don't know the difference, but I'm not an expert either. You know, it smells the same as the normal perfume, so why pay over the odds when you can pay a lot less for the exact same thing? Now if my boyfriend is watching this, please get me this. Number 3 is an oversized hoodie. So it's a bit of a mix between a hoodie and a blanket because it's so cozy and it's perfect for the winter nights in. And if your girlfriend or your mother or your sister haven't already got one, this is a must-have for winter. I think they are so useful. I mean, I'm a onesie person, like I love wearing a onesie. However, I probably would prefer a hoodie like that because they are honestly so comfy. So yes, Steve, please buy me one. Now, gift idea number 4 was originally just like a self-care journal. I found one in Waterstones, which is really good. However, looking on Amazon, there's so many different ones and I couldn't just pick one. So I'll let you guys have a look at all the different ones that I've seen that I personally think are amazing. However, the one thing that I came across whilst I was doing this type of research is actually a reusable notebook called the Rocket Book. Now, I've never heard of that before. From what I've seen on Amazon, it looks so good. You can literally like scan the pages and reuse the notebook. So rather than having to buy a new one, if you are someone who makes a lot of notes or, you know, who likes to make like a daily to-do list, anything like that, this is probably a game changer in that you can actually reuse it all the time. But the type of journal or notebook that you end up going for entirely depends on the person that you were buying for, as they'll have different things that they enjoy doing. Number 5 is probably your most bog standard gift idea. However, as women, we do like a bit of bling, and even myself, I don't really particularly wear a lot of jewellery. However, even earrings, it does happen on the odd occasion. So you cannot go wrong with a piece of jewellery. And the likes of Warren James sell really nice pieces at a fraction of a cost, especially now when they've got a lot of sales on coming up to Christmas. So make the most of it and get them a nice piece of jewellery. Just don't get them a ring or they might get the wrong idea. Now number 6 is probably probably my favourite on the list, and I actually came across it completely randomly when I was doing obviously the research for this video, and that's a Bluetooth eye mask. As I say, I think that is a complete game changer. I never thought things like that existed. I mean, I know I should probably expect it in this day and age because everything has Bluetooth in it. My fridge has Bluetooth in it. My sofa has got Bluetooth in it. So why not an eye mask? So yeah, I think that's a really, really good present, and I'd be quite keen to try this one out myself as well, so I might have to order myself one. And the last gift idea was inspired by Polaroid cameras. I think this is such a good thing, especially when you're traveling or you're out and about. It's so nice to actually have like a physical photo in your hand. So as you can imagine, £30 will not get you a Polaroid camera. I'm sorry, I've tried my best, but it does not get you a Polaroid camera. However, what I have managed to find, a mini printer that actually prints directly from your phone screen onto like a little Polaroid card. I don't know what the quality is like, so do not blame me if it's absolutely shocking, but you know, for £30, I think it's definitely worth a try, especially for someone who you know would love a gift like that. Obviously, you can spend a bit more and upgrade. However, to keep in line with the theme of this video, I have managed to find one for under £30 that does the job, or that apparently does the job. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I've given you some inspiration as to what gifts you can get for under £30. As I mentioned in my last video, Christmas can be a tough time of year in normal circumstances, never mind when we've got COVID thrown in it. So it's important for you not to get yourself in debt when buying for the special people in your life. Try and stick to a budget, as you'll thank me in the long run. So once again guys, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below, as it really helps my channel to grow. And as I said at the beginning of the video, it really helps me to reach a wider audience to hopefully spread the financial knowledge. I'm very keen to hear your thoughts down in the comments section below, so do let me know what you guys think about the gift ideas. All the links will be down in the description box below so that you've got a point of reference. And with that being said guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you back on Monday with a brand new video. Bye guys!